go your way, your way. Now you skip the memories and everything we had was drawn away, away. Cause you never told the truth. I was hoping more from you.